Welcome to another episode of Brief Bites for Better Care. This time, we are looking at lessons from a true story. A particular health service was found to have a higher mortality than similar health services. There had been many complaints from patients and from relatives. This was clearly a very serious problem, and it led to a high-level inquiry. And this is what the inquiry found. There was no culture of trust and respect. Poor standards were accepted. Staff morale was low, and senior staff disassociated themselves from any involvement in management. Thinking was dominated by financial pressures. There was no transparency about problems. The impact of cost-cutting on patient care was just not considered, and targets were seen as an end, not as a step on the way to good patient care, and there was no focus on the patient as the most important person. Following the inquiry, Dr. Don Berwick was asked to review the report and make some recommendations. And here are Dr. Berwick's 5 radical proposals. Well, radical? Not really, just obvious. 1. When responsibility is diffused, it is not clearly owned. When too many are in charge, no one is. 2. Fear is toxic to safety and improvement. 3. Trust the goodwill and good intentions of staff and abandon blame as a tool. 4. Use targets with caution. They can be important steps on the way to progress, but they should never replace the goal of better care. And 5. The voices of patients must be heard. These 5 principles apply to every single health service, yours and mine. See you again on Brief Bites for Better Care.